Hello friends! As you've already learned from my previous videos, I prefer to use wireless tools. For example, wireless drill driver, wireless rotary tool and wireless screwdriver. Now, this review will be dedicated also to the wireless tool, but this time not of the Bosch company. Now, this is WORX 20-volt lithium-ion angle grinder. It comes with some accessories. Also, you can disassemble this holder and hide something in it. But instead of 2 amp hour battery, I've got the double capacity one. 4 amp hours. Here we have 12 volts, 4 amp hours. Inside of this battery we have 10, 18, 65. So it will be Samsung most likely. And let's disassemble the battery and check it. (18) 650 20R Samsung SDI. So one section is 2 amp hours and the second parallel section is also 2 amp hours. Now let's disassemble the device. So I've worked a bit with this device, that's why we have dust inside of it. I've read the comments on YouTube about that the device has absolutely no electronics inside of it, but it isn't so. Well, this is the board, and here we have a lot of electronics. Well, this is the switch, and as to the motor, you can see this is Mabuchi logo, and the maximum amperage of this device is 30.1 amps. In order to change these brushes, you have not to disassemble everything and to damage the device. Simply you can lift these springs and change them. And it's really great. Formerly I had a Bosch angle grinder GWS 14.4, but there was no possibility to change anything in the motor. Let's assemble it again and conduct some tests. So during the first test we will cut this bolt. The diameter is 6 millimeters. And then, with the help of this accessory, we will sand this piece of wood. So I've done it very carefully, but the device can do it faster in case of good fixation. Now let's sand this piece of wood. So as you can see, the device works perfectly, and besides the advantage that the device is wireless, you can also check the battery level without the device itself. The battery is really very powerful, and it does not get hot even in case of 30-minute continuous working. I have also discharged this battery in order to check the minimum voltage at which this device turns off. So here the plus and minus contacts are parallel to the batteries, and nothing can interrupt the current flow from the batteries to these contacts. But as soon as the battery is discharged to the voltage 15.2 volts, the electronics of the grinder will automatically stop the device. The total length of the device is 33.5 centimeters. Also, let's check the weight. 1.5 kilograms. A bit more than 2 kilograms in total. Hope this review was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.